rock stars! So glad to see you today. In this upload today, our goal is to determine the numerical value of this statement. 47 divided by 47 over 6, then times 6. First we do this multiplication. 47 over 6 times 6. We can easily cancel this 6 and this 6. So here we have this 47 only, and 47 divided by 47 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So we have to do this division first, then this multiplication. If you do this multiplication, then this division, it's wrong. So we have to do this division first. 47 divided by 47 over 6. To do this division, write down the 47, then change division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 6 over 47. And here again we have times 6. Now we have this new problem. First we do this multiplication. We can easily cancel this 47 and this 47, which gives 6. And here again we have times 6. So here we have this 6 times 6, which equals 36. And this is our final answer to this problem. Thanks for being here. Hit like and subscribe.